Hello guys, this is Hope from Auto King Company. This is KV600 light cargo truck with 4K K1 engine. Let me show you the configurations. The KV600 chassis is for light truck commercial vehicles. Its actual load is 5 to 8 ton and it's equipped with 160 HP powertrain, and it have an excellent performance and stability, and its overall dimension is 5.99 meter length and the width is 1.99. If you need it, please contact us, and this is Auto King Company. Welcome to visit us.